Tired of hunting for processing factories just to cut small parts? Long lead times, tedious communication, high prices too. What? You're thinking of buying a Waterjet cutter yourself? Are you kidding? Traditional industrial Waterjets require a 380 V industrial power supply, weighing up to 8 tons, bulky and heavy. Would it fit in your living room? Then I find the PockCut 300, condenses a multi-ton industrial machine into a desktop unit. It takes up less than 0.76 square meters of space. Most importantly, standard 220V household power can run it. No special wiring needed. No computer connection required. No USB drive either. Programs are generated locally. Plug and play. A traditional industrial Waterjet machine costs a fortune. This model costs only about a quarter as much. About the price of a luxury watch or designer handbag. Let's do the math. Add up the cost of outsourcing a few jobs. You can own this Waterjet cutter. No workspace limitations, no more cost barriers. This PockCut 300 gives you complete cutting freedom. The purchase link is below. Place your order now.